Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. And all things good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make help grow the platform. You see? So we still are expound upon the issue we're going up at Sizzla yard. For judgment yard the other day, Rasta. You see, now, for clarify, make a clarification, you know, because you see, if Sizzla never displace, they implement them Rastafari, put in a Jamaica for maintain a certain energy. I would have to look on it this morning like, well then, all of this are happening in a Rastafari name. You see, so let me clarify some of the items, you know, because I am not fanatic, you know. I know some man falter, even Solomon, where them in the Bible, them, you know, David and them man that them show you say as example of even man where, you know, see, yeah. So we now go there and go on like we are living in an illusion, like with delusional. That make Rasta no move and reach nowhere. You see? Because some man still have some little, Sizzla still have some man around him where I say His Majesty come at Jamaica on secret visit, come visit Prince Emmanuel, and him come visit Leonard Howell in a prison. Man say him the next door to Leonard Howell's cell. Me hear that interview, me hear that guy the phone in and say him the next door to Leonard Howell's cell and see His Majesty walk down the passage, come check Leonard Howell. You see, so them type of man there still dead away. You know, not very much of a practical thinker. You see, so we still expect some man to come up and create a sort of delusional argument and them thing there and make the thing look even more criminal than it might appear. You see, because even if a Sizzla do it, what are the likelihood for Sizzla do that and it still remain a secret till today? Well, it's possible. See, and even so, if it remain a secret this long, even for a day, what would likely would be for Sizzla go to prison? Because at the end of the day, a thing like this now, the person who would have sent Sizzla go to prison would have to be somebody where they are bad, where them heart break, or see when it happen and them so, you know, that's even immediately the same day, them start leak out that say, Sizzla do it, you know, see, a day pass or 2 day pass and you know, hey, Sizzla, you make the thing look logy, you make the thing look dark and dunce, like you're a criminal, like you know, say it, you criminalize yourself. You know, claim so now about official thing are going up a judgment yard and a thing like this go on the premises and the CEO hide and silent or no, I expect for hear a press release or something. And you know, you're not like that, it's be ignorance here go on, like it's badness. Well, it is badness. So that me I try show no you're not idiot, but we are say Rasta. You know, see, them boy a masquerade around in the name of Rastafari. And I make ill representation, kind of know say you have to live it. You know, see, you can't come halfway and go like say you want to trick the people them in front of them eye and you have an ulterior motive around there. So, you know, see, the moment you carry the thing them gone up a judgment yard, gonna set up museum and all them type of thing there, Rasta. it becomes a profit-making thing, profiteering, like you did have a different intention all along. You see it? You see it, Rasta? And we still want, but the thing them, you see how long we are telling us if we bring them back, and you're still there in your arrogance. Like you want dead left them Rasta give picnic them and all them sort of thing there. Eh? What sort of structure you set up there? You know, Rasta worthy way where them thing they mean a lot to a lot of people. As simple and as irrelevant as you might see them as only a money maker. You know, see it? Because just like how you have some fanatic around you where think certain way, so we have some fanatic around you where think certain way too. We now say we have nothing to do with what going up at your place. We are talking about the love of them little simple thing there where you hold on upon. You have people who are fanatically in love with them to Rasta. And it breaks them heart. And all people, we can't do nothing, we just live off of the strength and the energy of that because them can't feed them belly. You know, see it? Fanatical about them thing there. And you take them, and pull them one side, and no matter how the rest of it out there show disgust and a demand for the eye bring them back, Rasta the eye. Nah. Man, I play ignorant. I send threat. And I bad up people and them thing the Rasta. You know, see, what you think will happen when poor people prayer? Because I'm not one side, you know. The song them where you sing, and them the people that characterize you off as a perfect man, and we know you're far from that. Because personally, me no hear you sing no more of them song there. What happened to the people that used to write them song the fear than you? If you want, we ask question. You know, see, what happened to them people, Rasta? Oh, you not write none of them song there again. That's in a biblical time, in a biblical sense. Would I look upon it so well then? The spirit leave from around you. And then would have shown you a bit and put you one side, make you go journey, meditate, and come back again. Clean up yourself and come back. You know, see, because spiritually would have know, say, a whole heap of misalignment are going. Because you can sing certain type of song and them are waste space and energy. Where, and them type of song there, bring you come on the front line. And them type of song there, nah, put the money in your pocket even now when you sing them, nah, do nothing for you. Compared to a genuine cultural song, do for you, who want to know how comes, you know, pick up on that and go back and write them sort of deep cultural tune there. I don't feel like you write them, Rasta. I hear rumor and allegations. You know, see? You know, see it, Rasta? So when you come with this big authoritarian thing, like you want to take over the thing and move things, go and do what you want, the Rasta, it's not acceptable. Because who is you? Youth like I now, I go ask, who is you? You know, see it? See who you is there? Death and destruction accompany your foundation, Rasta. You see it? Mankind blood, your friend, them blood a run upon your foundation, whisper you set up. You know, see it? And then now, your friend them a come with some little loose allegation, some little loose alibi where I make you look guilty. When a long time you should have come out and say something officially. You is who you is, where you could have hide from. Even if I have family, if I was a family, if it was a blood family. Get caught up that way there, same way you the one side I hide. And now say nothing. Well, it would have even more acceptable because at the end of the day you could have look at it and I say, boy, him hurt. You know, see it, him a moan. You know, see it, regardless of the fact say, is a ground where you consider to be a Rastafari public space. According to you, which is why we know a Sizzla space like a judgment yard it name. You see it, so everybody will come there, judgment them come for. You know, see it? Yeah. You know, see it? While a politician and prime minister and them official there, you feel a judge and them feeling a judgment. You know, see it? Well, whatever it is what it is, Rasta. You know, see it? And people are dead in there, you know. And we know them things, they don't sit well spiritually. And the eye still up in the eye arrogance and the eye ignorance. Probably under the advice of some of them same people, yeah, we are come out and I claim say maybe he's being kidnapped and all them things there. And that would be the bigger news, Rasta. Nobody there on the spot wouldn't see what go on. I saw would I hear clarity what happened. Cause some man that say, yo, 2 car drive up and grab Sizzla and the man they try defend Sizzla and bam 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 and him drop and then carry Sizzla gone. Nobody wouldn't have no reservation in speaking up about that, Rasta. When you stop coming in that space with no stupidity, the wavelength is far different, Rasta. If they don't understand or full stand, we'll go and ask a question. Big up yourself, Nervin McLeod, General. You see it, yeah. You have to stop with them stupidity and then go inside and go complain about crime and violence and mash up Jamaica when I only say when I protect and I facilitate it with them sort of naivety there. Well, and the naivety, you don't know what I do, but that one I couldn't think everybody is naive and I go jump and believe and run with the stupid slur them on and spew out and gab Rasta. You see it? And then I don't know what I do. Because of the scamming culture. What if you say everybody believe this, you know? Everybody believe when I have the gift. So everybody believe what I say. So we just try to see them scamming mentality with every and anybody when they come with certain defense. Mediocre defense where you can't bring them, not even police. You can't bring them alibi there them defense the two. You know see, much less liar, much less judge. A thing like that happen at a location like that, Rasta. We are expect to hear what go on already. Rasta all over Jamaica, giving all the controversy what I stir up the other day regarding the seals. You know see it? Long time man should have come out and make the rest of the world know what go on. That means every naysayer like I and I knows from early say I just a freak accident or a wanton whatever rate. You know see it? Mix up corner war on the care Rasta gone, you know. You know see it? And it now stop until the return. Who want to think on the is Rasta? When if a return, wanna belongs to no higher. Cause when take it under badness. And then they hold it under badness, whole Rastafari hostage. The whole no sister the thing. It's like say it has stumble around and a whole heap of people ask a whole heap of question and have suspicion and all them sort of thing there. Because you know bring the thing that disrepute down at the road. I don't know how some man will tell me say the seal them. No man can give me no other argument other than say a bad mind thing go on. Where a man want to commercialize Rastafari, right? You see it? So a man long time I'm gonna eye up certain implement, red eye, certain things and know say him for have them. You know see it benefit him and for him cause better. You know see it? Cause again the people them and hear cause Rasta. They see that continue sing them tune there where fortify and redevelop. Reinforce self-esteem and self-confidence in a black people. You wouldn't go sing on the girl and about gun and gunman and them type of thing there until this day, yeah. You can't find back a farm there. Even when you travel, you say, that. You know? That part of the catalog there. People are demand. You know see it? We don't love Wagwan. You know see it? We not an illusion, man. Probably a man and them friend them, him fan them. We just a run behind a guy. But a spade is a spade around here, so you know. You know, see it. And probably some guy I expect we to come out. Stroke them ego. For you violate Rastafari, you have to know. And I say it. And we still not condemn the guy to no destruction. Yet. We say that again. You know, see it. You still have the chance and the opportunity to bring back Rastafari thing them Rasta. And stop going like you're perfect and you're the best man. Rastafari say none is perfect. One alone. And I know you. Can you prove yourself already, Rasta? I know you're going like I a fool. Eh? Everything what you do then, regarding yourself and Rastafari, you know have no meaning to I did, you know. You know do nothing to impress. You know. It's a whole different demography of people you try to impress because you know I know the root. You know Rasta, black Rastafari people in Jamaica and everywhere. Know the route. You know, see it? I create, you try engineer a character, Rasta. You know, see it? And we not in that. You can't come swing them things over with you, your gunman friend them and your gun this and gun that. Destruction and take your Rasta. Hurry up. You know, see it? Think I have beg my friend? Man, if you hurry up, you get a whole heap of chance, Rasta. And we still show you love. You know, see it? Because we not condemn you to perdition. If you go do that, you know, see it? Still I say, man still even call you president. Hey, Sizzla, you see a fool you take man for. Because when all of this are going on, you see all of the reason them where you claim say you supposed to move, displace them thing from where them there and carry them, go whisper them there. All of them reason there happen, all of them things that happen under your presidency and Naya Bingi. And you are the president and Naya Bingi when the things start deteriorate to the point where you feel like say you have to move the thing them. And then now you did have ulterior motive long time, Sizzla, man. Man, a fool, Sizzla, I want to you. Man, a fool, man, now watch your money. Been there and done that. A ghetto youth. Ghetto mothers and fathers who have to turn a blind eye to certain things just to put on them pot tomorrow. I feed them ignorance, yeah, capitalized pan with them behavior, the Rasta. Just like we cartel them usually do with them song them. Just like we skilly bang them and skeng them a do. You know them hard time yeah, for black people. Them a use the tool of a fortify the strength. And I exploit I and I. And that you have the same way in other words, Rasta. You know see it? You exploit ignorance and hunger through hunger. You can perpetrate certain things and people turn a blind eye. You know, see it. And then you deny, publicly now, denounce and deny and go on like you play innocent. I call you out in a gunman. I call you, I make oh. And I don't want no, hey guys, if you're coming at I comment section, come say something Rasta, say something else. Don't just say a lie, me I tell. Don't just say me don't know what me I talk about. Talk what happened then. Talk what happened then. And don't make me bring you down up church. Don't want it in a eye for disrespect the item, but Sizzla and a gunman for me Rasta. I mean know what go on. You know see, I'm still not condemn no one and I go on like go on. I mean, bring clarity to the thing and make people know what go on in a Rastafari name because you are going on and perpetrate this agenda like say. And then you run gone one side now. I want to tell you, a fool, this is a big news. People from everywhere look on this. I want to know what go on. You know, see it? It's you gone exalt the thing. It's you exalt judgment yard to the level there. And I say Ray and I say Blair and a thing like this happen at judgment yard Rasta. And you run gone. In your hole. When the lion should have up on a mountain, a roar. Lion go up a mountain, go rook a lion, now have nothing for hide. All pain is brutal. A Rasta know that from before him start grow locks. Be prepared for your mother and your father denounce you and deny you. You see, so you have to prepare. You when you prepare, you prepare. Hey, some guy not coming on a thing with no balling and go on like so we are here that you know. This is an army, you know. This is a yes I. You see, bring back the thing them and make peace reign, Rasta. Wagwan.